While planning the mission, we have to consider some safety factors before proceeding. That are the number of things we need to check before the planning mission. The first one is the obstacle avoidance. Before planning mission, we have to check the surrounding obstacle in the mission field. Second thing is the fence boundary. Fence boundary is important. We have to plot it before the planning our mission. The drone will not go outside this fence boundary. The next thing is weather conditions. If the weather condition is clear and okay to go, we are ready to take off. The next thing is takeoff and landing zone. Before taking our flight plan successfully, we have to observe where our drone going to take off and land at that zone. That surface should be even and plain. Before taking off the drone, it should be observed properly. The next thing is we have to check the drone altitude and speed in the mission we are going to use, because it's totally depend on the weather condition at what speed our vehicle is going to fly and at what altitude it is going to fly. So that are the some prioritized factors before the taking mission.